through a tackle, and Hurts on the run. He might go. Jalen Hurts, touchdown, Philadelphia. Third and 4. They'll run out of it. Big opening, Barkley. There he goes. Barkley going to ring the bell again. Touchdown, Philadelphia. Up to the bottom, Nacua to the top. 3rd and 2. Stafford in trouble. He's sacked. Brought down by Jalen Carter. 4th down, final minute.
Great, his offensive line sets up Barkley to go to the Hall of Fame if he keeps playing like this.
Barkley with 196 yards on the game. Jalen Hurts has seen that movie and gets to enjoy it one more time. Barkley slides his way again into the Eagles record book. That time